Alright everyone, the following video is being recorded with the rear-facing cameras on the iPhone 15 Plus in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. But please let me know what you guys and gals think of the overall video quality as well as the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all of your feedback is greatly appreciated. And also, as always, if this video piqued your interest, any and everything featured in this evening's video will be linked up down below in the video description as well. Any purchasing links, any extended coverage, anything that may potentially pique your interest, all the links you need will be linked up down below in the video description, and the video description will contain affiliate buy links. And as the name implies, if you guys and gals decide to make your purchase using those affiliate buy links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So that makes those affiliate buy links, in my opinion, a win-win for everyone, and that also makes the video description a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, let's jump into this evening's video. Let's go. Alright everyone, so it has been a little bit over 24 hours with the first generation Pixel Watch from Google. And how has my first day plus with the first generation Pixel Watch been? Well, if I have to be honest with y'all, it's been really good. Really good. Today was a Monday, so it was a workout day, and in particular, it was a harder workout day because it was leg day. Leg days, because of my disability, tend to be a little bit more difficult than all of the other days. Okay? And I have to say, the Pixel Watch performed perfectly. Now, one of the things that I really enjoy about the Pixel Watch is that it has live heart rate tracking. So, at any point during my workout, I was able to glance at my watch and pause for a few seconds and get my actual live heart rate, which was really nice, especially for the type of workout that I do. I try to really get my heart rate going and then try to maintain that maximum burn heart rate throughout the entirety of my 45 to an hour and 20-minute workout. So having that live heart rate tracker, and you can see it's displaying no heart rate right now because I don't have the watch on, was really nice. Okay, so that was a really great plus. Also, the vibration, haptics, and speakers in the watch were really good as well. At no point did I miss any notification. Phone calls were actually very nice. Really good stuff there as well. And the battery life, you guys and gals can see it. Now, I started off the day, I took it off the charger at, I think it was 9:30, all right? And it had 100% charge, all right? I got ready, got dressed, started my day, and it was down to like 94%. And throughout the entirety of the day, it lasted no problems. Pushing notifications, interacting with my assistant, no problems. And you can see we're just about into the next day, and I still got 44% battery. So really nice. Now, what I'm going to be really interested to see is how much battery we have after I do one sleep cycle. Now, unfortunately, although I've used this watch for over a day, I have not been able to track my sleep just yet. Okay? And I actually messed up my first charging test, so I'm hoping that I can wear it to bed and then get up and do the charging test again, because I was trying to do the first charging test this morning, but I couldn't do it. I actually ended up going to bed at about 2:35, and the watch was at about 20% when I fell asleep. Alright? And I put the watch on the charger at, about 2:35. And I would have to say I probably fell asleep about 10 to 15 minutes later, and the watch was at 20%. So, not bad for a quick top-up charge. I don't know how long 20% is actually going to last somebody, but if you did want to quickly top up your watch, that will give you a quick idea. But hopefully I have enough battery to wear it to sleep tonight and see how it does with the sleep tracking. We're going to find out. Alright? And then hopefully I can get up and do my other charge test over and not fall asleep. Alright? But talking about regular average usage for the first day plus, it has been really, really good. And honestly, I haven't had any issues. Alright? Now, I'm going to continue to update you guys as we go throughout the review process, but so far, so good. That being said, as I said in my unboxing, first impressions, and application walkthrough, I really do like the Prime companion application, the Pixel Watch application. I really like the layout. I really like how straightforward it is. Love that. Okay? As for the Fitbit application, I've spent about 45 minutes digging through it. So far, it seems pretty good. I'm going to be real interested to see how good the sleep tracking is and all the other metrics are after I've done about a couple months of workouts, because I've synced it up with my smart scale as well. So I'm going to see how well it tracks my weight, tracks my sleep, tracks all of my health metrics, using the watch sensors and using my other devices throughout the couple of months. We'll see how that goes. But first impressions and over the first 24 hours with the Google Pixel Watch first generation, it has been really, really good. And that, guys and gals, pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. And I hope you guys and gals stay tuned, because more coverage is coming soon. I hope everyone has a great evening, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.